Hey guys, if you've ever thought of enhancing your home and garden and landscape with outdoor lighting, then watch this free consultation video. This is the same free consultation video that we offer to all our clients who are looking for help with their DIY landscape lighting projects. We're going to show you what are the best lights to use and the best locations to get the best bang for your buck, as well as how to create the best effect possible with those lights. So to get your free consultation video, email me your pictures at cal@lightingdoctor.ca or go and visit us at lightingdoctor.ca, and be sure to check out our try it before you buy it light, where you can actually get one premium grade fixture, and the King Innovation Insta-Light is a battery operated pack that allows you to go and test the lights out on your property before you make any big purchases. So hopefully you get some great ideas from this video, and again, to get your own free consultation video, email me your pictures at cal@lightingdoctor.ca or go visit us at lightingdoctor.ca and check out our try it before you buy it light and see what's going to look great around your property. Enjoy the video, and I'll see you again after. Hey Jay, thanks for watching the videos and thanks for the pictures. I'll walk you through kind of what I think you should do here. It's going to depend on exactly where you can put the lights, so you might need to just clarify some things. But what I would probably do to make it look good but keep it simple for you, depending on what's on this side in the ground over here on the other side of the garage, I would probably look at trying to just get a uplight shining up onto this part of the front of the garage, and then do the same thing over here that kind of gets this front part. So you might place it in here just so you have balance on both sides. For highlighting the tree, just a single uplight in the front here will be plenty, and you'll get some nice reflection down to cover the ground. In here, what I would probably do, it's up to you to keep the balance. What I think I would probably like to see is actually if you had an uplight that was in here that kind of got up these side of the windows, and then one in the middle that gets this front section, and then the one kind of in here that would angle, it would angle a little bit more, that would catch most of this, but more importantly kind of this top half and get to the point here. And then you do the same thing on this side that would have it kind of angle again and get to that top part, and it's going to get mostly up here. You might not get light all the way here, but because you have these, I wouldn't worry about it too much. And then again, to keep it balanced, same thing, one just uplight up the middle here that gets this part, and it's going to get right to the top. And then same thing on the edge here, just so you have balance on both sides. And then obviously another accent light or uplight on this tree would be a good idea. And then depending whether you want to put path lights or not, what I would probably do, again, just to keep it a little bit more balanced, I might even look at throwing one path light here, another one here, one there, and one there, just to balance it out. So I think you're looking at, to do what I think would look good, I think you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're probably 10 uplights and 4 path lights. I think would do a really, really good job. But again, it just depends maybe where you can place some of those lights. Or if you're looking at putting some lights up top here and getting down, I don't think you're going to have to. And for simplicity, I would say use the uplights. I think you're going to get a really good effect on it. And when you get it, you might want to play around with them a little bit. So like I talk about in my videos, wire them up, turn them on that first night, and kind of play with the angles a little bit, see what looks best. You might have to move them. Sometimes it's just a matter of moving it 6, 12, maybe 18 inches to get exactly what you're looking for. But I think if you play around and you use those lights, you'll get a really good idea for what you're looking for. If you're looking for a little bit less lights, then I kind of like what you have here is if you highlighted the front of the garage, you had your light here that gets to the top, your light here that gets to the top, the one in the back here, and then obviously the 2 trees. So it just depends on your budget and what you want to do, but I think both would be really good examples. I'll send you kind of a price or quote what I think would look best, and then if you want to scale it back, just let me know. All right, thanks Jay. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching that video. I hope you guys got some great ideas for your own do-it-yourself landscape lighting projects. If you want your own free consultation video, like I said before, email me your pictures at cal@lightingdoctor.ca or go and visit us at lightingdoctor.ca, and be sure to check out our try it before you buy it light, again, where you can get one premium grade fixture and a King Innovation Insta-Light battery operated demo kit that you can go and test those lights out on your property before you make any big purchases. So I hope to see you guys again soon, and again, go get your free consultations by emailing your pictures or visit us at lightingdoctor.ca. Thanks so much for watching.